Hello friends and welcome to lesson 63 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's get our hands prepared to start. We are going to bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2. We're also going to bring finger 3 close to string number 5, fret number 3, because we're going to be using it very quickly after we begin, and that is going to make it easier for us to get the right note at the right time. The right hand is going to start with the thumb on string number 4, index on string number 3, and middle finger on string number 2. We lift the hand just a little bit to have it very close to the strings so it is easier to pluck, and then we are ready to begin. We're going to start measure number 1 with plucking string number 4. We press finger 2 on fret number 2 and we pluck the string, and then simultaneously index and middle fingers are going to pluck strings 3 and 2 twice, and then finger 3 goes to string number 5, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the thumb. We continue to measure number 2 by plucking open fourth as we remove all the fingers from the left hand, and we pluck simultaneously 3 times in a row strings number 3 and 2 with index and middle every time. Let's listen to measure number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Let's see measures 3 and 4 now. We're going to start with finger number 3 on string number 4, fret number 3, and we're going to have finger 4 very close to string number 2, fret number 3. Pluck string number 4. We press string number 2 and we pluck 3 and 2 at the same time twice, and then open fourth. Finger 2 goes to string number 4, fret number 2. We pluck it with the thumb as we bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck strings 3 and 2 at the same time 3 times in a row. Let's listen to measures 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. By now, a finger picking pattern is starting to be obvious. We have thumb, index, middle at the same time twice, and thumb again. And then we have, as in measure number 1, and measure number 3. And then we have thumb once and index and middle at the same time 3 times in a row, like measure number 2 and measure number 4. These two finger picking patterns are going to be appearing over and over again throughout the entire piece, so it's good to have them in mind from the beginning. Let's see measures 5 and 6. We start measure number 5 with open third string with the thumb, and finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1, and open first string. We play those strings with index and middle. Index plays string 2, middle plays string 1, twice in a row. Finger 2 goes to string number 4, fret number 2. We pluck it with the thumb. Immediately we use the thumb again to pluck string number 3 as open. Finger 1 goes to string number 1, fret number 1, and we need open second string to play both strings at the same time twice in a row. Open fourth string. Let's see and listen measures 5 and 6. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. We're going to keep finger 1 right where we have it because we're going to need it there for measure number 7. Measure number 7 starts with the open third plucked by the thumb. Index and middle play the first 2 strings twice, and then finger 3 goes to string number 4, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the thumb. Followed by finger 2 on string number 4, fret number 2 with the thumb 2, as finger 1 goes to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck strings 1 and 2 at the same time 3 times in a row. Let's see and listen measures 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Measures 9 through 12 are an exact repetition of measures 1 to 4. 1 and 2 and. To go into measure 13, we're going to leave finger 1 where we have it, string 2, fret 1, because we're going to need it right there very soon. And we start measure 13 with an open third string played by the thumb. Index and middle play strings 2 and 1 twice, and then finger 3 goes to string number 5, fret number 3, pluck it with the thumb. The thumb has to go right away to string number 3 as finger 2 presses it on string number 2, and we pluck string number 3 as we remove finger 3. We bring finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 1. We pluck strings number 1 and 2 at the same time, and we continue with an open third with the thumb. Let's listen and see measures 13 and 14. 1 and 2 and. Measure 15 starts with finger number 2 on string number 5, fret number 2. We pluck it with a thumb as we get finger 4 to string number 3, fret number 3. We pluck strings number 2 and 1 with index and middle at the same time, twice in a row, and then thumb plays open third as we remove finger 2 from string number 5. And measure 16 needs 3 notes at the same time. We're going to need finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1, finger 3 on string number 5, fret number 3, and we remove finger 4. We are going to pluck at the same time strings number 5 with the thumb, 2 with the index, and 1 with the middle finger at the same time, and we let the notes ring for 2 beats. Let's listen and see. Measures 15 and 16. 1 and 2 and. And there you have it, lesson 63 from the First Lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, you will find a link to a play-along video in the description box below, as well as other useful resources. Make sure to have a look. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Keep enjoying the practice.